Hey guys,
we're
what's
back
up?
after a long time.
Yeah.
So,
Really long time.
how are you all doing?
We're great.
Yeah,
Surviving.
surviving. Yeah,
Yeah.
not good, not perfect, but like going on. I
Going
can
with
say.
the flow.
So, we've been busy and stuff,
Yeah.
dealing with life and
Yeah.
other things. So that's why we couldn't post, but we did go out and we did go bowling as well. So
Yeah.
we'll be posting on the good videos, yeah. Not
Yeah, the good one.
you want to
That-
show them the gutter? You can show.
No. Like, it doesn't mean that we are really good at bowling
No,
or
we're not
something.
good.
We really suck.
We played after
but-
a really long time.
Dude, I literally played after like 2 years. And that's a
And-
really long time.
I play occasionally, but like
Yeah.
when we were in UAE back then, we used to like play every weekend and
Not even every weekend, like every other day,
Yeah.
I can say.
like as we got time and
Yeah.
we used to really enjoy the game and it kind of got addicting. Like,
It is really addicting.
yeah, we enjoy it a lot.
Yeah.
So we'll be posting few clips.
The good ones.
The good ones.
We got lucky, like we actually got it on camera and stuff because like
We can show it to you.
Yeah.
and we can share it with you.
so yeah, the whole week just like goes by. Time is going really fast. Like I'm busy with online classes and stuff and yeah, and then we go out on weekends. So that's what's been going on. Like yeah, so we go out
Try
on
to distract
weekends
her,
and
but very focused, I can say.
yeah, so we go out on weekends. We are just trying to like enjoy life because like trying to survive. Yeah, it's really hard. So yeah.
So it's been hard, but like we met a few friends and trying to like spend time outside.
Yeah.
Little something different, and for a change also. It's been rainy and like, but it's also been like sunny, right? More
Yeah.
than rainy, so we like took advantage of it and like went out. for a
Actually,
bit.
we got lucky. Like the day we went out, it didn't rain and stuff.
Yeah, but we did also get wet yesterday.
Yeah.
So, but it's been really nice to be out, for
Yeah.
a change. So that's why we couldn't post a video or
And also we've been like planning since past few weeks. Like we will vlog and stuff.
also we had some material content.
Yeah, we did record.
ready,
we
but
did shoot and
we
all.
did not feel like posting it, and we did
Yeah.
not feel like making add-on videos for it. I don't know, it's been difficult, but
Because first of all, like we had a plan, but then it just didn't work out. Like either we were too busy or our like
something or the
Yeah,
other,
yeah,
kept
like, it just
coming
didn't
up.
work out.
Also you have like classes and stuff.
yeah, and we've not been like leaving the house. We're just like there stuff.
So it kind of gets like suffocating and like
Yeah.
jam-packed with stress. So it's good to be back and like we feel refreshed now, and we're
Yeah.
gonna try to
We will definitely
be
post.
constant. I
Yeah.
can say now. Yeah, we're
We
gonna
will try to post more, and we hope that you like it.
Yeah, and also hope like you can relate to us with
Yeah.
what we've been going through. I'm sure everyone relates to this.
Yeah.
And hope you like the video and stay with us. Subscribe.
Stay with.
So about bowling, like it was crazy fun. We used to like do it a lot in UAE, and it kind of got addicting. It used to be like a lot of fun, and like there was always this competitiveness between friends. It was in a funny way, like
Yeah.
like yeah. So what I was saying is it's okay. This is one time where what she did, she like she took the ball and like she just flew it up in the air, like,
Oh my God.
and it just like went up and came down. We all like got so scared that we had to like move away. It was like hilarious. It was like scary but really funny.
Yeah.
But it's like kind of shocking to see that we are actually good at it. It's because
Are
we
we
keep. Anyone can be good at it.
Yeah.
It's just that you have to keep playing it and also enjoy it. Most importantly.
Yeah.
So it's fun.
You can give some tips like.
I don't have tips. I'm not a professional, but like, yeah, you can be good at whatever you enjoy. I can say. So it's up to
And
you
also,
what
like,
you
if you-
enjoy, you know.
Yeah, and
Just
also
because I
like.
enjoy it doesn't mean everyone enjoys it.
No, it's not like
It's
that.
different for everyone, right?
It's different, but like if
Yeah.
you go with your friends and like
Yeah, it's a good.
the company matters
Yeah,
too.
it's a good way to spend time with friends, I can say.
Yeah.
So you should try it. The best part is, spending time with your friends. You really enjoy it, and it's refreshing to go out and play and
Just enjoy.
something different from the usual life.
Yeah.
So we're gonna attach some videos. It's not that we are really good or something, and we're trying to show that. We also
Yeah.
did get a lot of gutters and
A lot. Yeah.
we do try to put it in the center, but it doesn't go no. Yeah. So it's not like we're really good or something, but we just wanted to share and hope you enjoy it.
We're twinning.
We're twinning. I really love this color,
Yeah.
Yeah, I also like the pink. It goes really well with this.
Yeah. I got it for her, so.
What do you mean you bought it?
Dude, the scarf I got it for you.
Oh, okay, I thought you were talking about the sweatshirt.
No, the sweatshirt you got it for us, but like
Yeah,
you
I
said
mean,
the pink
stop
scarf.
taking credits
so-
for everything, bro.
You're the credit hog, bro.
I mean, I guess you're learning from me or something. I don't know what's happening.
Dude, our eyes look like really.
Guys, look at our eyes. We dead.
It's really like droopy or like.
We're so
What?
dead. Positivity. Try to. Stay tuned for more.